Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn plants and animals live together, step by step. Hello friends, I am Vidya. Plants and animals live all around us. They are good friends and they need each other. Today we will learn how plants and animals live together. Many animals need plants to live. Cows and goats eat green grass. Birds and monkeys eat sweet fruit. Birds build their nests in trees. So plants give animals food and a home. Plants need animals too. Little bees fly from flower to flower and help them. Birds carry seeds to new places where new plants grow. So animals help plants in many ways. Plants and animals share the same world. They help each other every day. This is how nature works. We must take care of both plants and animals so they stay happy and healthy. To recap, animals get food and homes from plants. Animals help plants by spreading seeds and pollen. Plants and animals live together and help each other. Let us care for them all, friends. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.